Hey guys, it's Archie Luxury channel, and today we're doing a Breguet unboxing. I've got a couple in the series because I own 3 Breguets. I want to really highlight the Breguet life experience. There's my Breguet Type 21. There's the Breguet sales brochure. And there's my LV watch roll and my Monte Grappa placed there. Monte Grappa, did you know, little interesting side fact, Monte Grappa actually made pens for Breguet. They got a Breguet edition. Okie dokie, let's do an unboxing. With Breguet, you've got 2 types of boxes. You've got the cube one, which is used for their watches with deployment buckles, and you've got the traditional coffin. Let's open this baby up and take a look. So this is for the Breguet 7147. Beautiful logo on top. And there we go. We're presented with a beautiful box here. We've got the traditional Breguet string, just as you would remove your lover's underwear by the silk string on the back of the thing. And let's have a look at the books that come with it. So this is for the 7147. So what do we got here? We have a instruction guide, how to set the watch, how to use it, etc. We've got a corporate records form. I love a bit of corporate. Who doesn't love corporate? This is where you register yourself, your name in the Breguet records. They're trying to do a Patek sort of thing. Patek does the same thing. We've got an envelope to post that off in Switzerland. What do we got here? Oh yeah, it's all here. And then we've got, this is the Breguet. What the fuck is this? This is the Breguet. You know how hard this is to do with one fucking hand? How fucking... Okay, we do this. Breguet records. What does this say? Oh, that's the additional, that's just nothing. That's just the fucking warranty for Australia. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, interesting how they do all this shit, isn't it? Look at this, all this Breguet. And this here is this is where the warrant, this is the actual registration of the serial number and name. So this one here, let's have a look at this here. This Breguet here was bought new 15th of October 2022. It's a 7147. It was bought from Swiss Concept in Sydney. Look at that there, hey? I believe the donkey bought this watch to get fucking Rolex. What a fucking, fuck me dead. These people have absolutely no class. Just enjoy your Breguet. Mind you, do you really want to pay fucking retail for these watches? No. Anyhow, that's the story. He bought this watch to suck the cock of the AD, suck the prick of the AD. He wanted to get Rolex. So they make you buy non-hype, and non-hype is Breguet. Breguet is a non-hype brand, isn't it, hey? Because all the sheeple, they want Rolex. Okay. Breguet box, the wooden box. This is the traditional coffin. Look at the gold there. Breguet 1770. What is it? 1775. Let's open her up. Ba-da-da-da. Breguet. Holy fuck. And this is inside the Breguet. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. The Breguet box. The smell. If you had smell-o-vision, fuck me dead. This smells expensive. We've got, look at the low, just the light. Look at that. Beautiful. And by the way, you pull this little tab here to take it out. Then you can slides out there. Fuck me dead. Look at this. This is winner chicken dinner. The Breguet. Look at that. Just though the execution of this watch here. This is not just a... Look at this. Look at the fucking execution. This is the ultimate. Look at the strap. Look at the buckle. Fuck me dead. Everything is done. Expensive. The watch itself, let's take this little fucker out. Look at this here. Winner, winner, chicken fucking dinner. Microwaved high heat. There we go. This is the Breguet 7147. It's an automatic watch with automatic. And the thing I love about it is a lot of the automatics like Patek, JLC, as soon as you get an automatic, they always throw a date. This is one of the few automatic watches in modern times without the need for a date complication. And it just makes the piece so much more cleaner. So let's have a look here. We've got beautiful coin edging, beautiful lugs, and flip it over. And it's basically got a 3/4 rotor. So it's not a micro rotor. It's not a full rotor. It's a 3/4 rotor here. And it's done superbly. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything is done here for perfection. And we just turn this around here. Look at this. This is fucking Breguet at its best. You know, guys, if I was to get a tattoo, and I don't like needles. What would I get? Would be the Breguet fucking hands. I'd get the Breguet hands, and this watch is the Breguet hands that I would get there. What do you think? A Breguet hands tattoo. Hey, what do you think of that? The Breguet hands. Hey, what do you think of that? Breguet hands. What a fucking beautiful. And then I'd have the Breguet hands tattoo with the models, the reference numbers of the Breguets I own. So I'd have the 7057, 7147. I would have the Breguet Type 21 and also the stolen Type 20 because I actually own 4 Breguets, but I only have possession of 3 of the little fuckers. Okay, so there we go. Looking at this here, absolutely amazing. This is Breguet at its finest. Have a look here. Look at the dial. Fuck me dead. This is, I'm just going to put the watch down so that we can zoom in with the camera because I want to hold it still because it's fucking, I want to show you Breguet. I want to show you what is Breguet. What is Breguet? I'll show you what Breguet is. Let's take a look here. So we're going to zoom in. Okay, there we go. Look at the dial. We're going to zoom in 5 by. Look at this here. Here it says Swiss enamel Grand Fou. Look at the Grand Fou. Now this watch here, if we have a look here, look at the sub-seconds. You can see it's slightly indented there. That's because that's the process. You can hardly see it. It's not a ring around it. It's just slight indentation. It also has a secret signature between the 2 and the 4. It's got Breguet, and you can't see it. Even with this camera, you can't see it. But there is a secret Breguet signature, a hallmark of Breguet watches. As far as look at the beautiful Breguet numerals. Look at the Breguet. Fuck, this is Breguet at its absolute finest there. Look at this. Breguet. What the fuck? What the fuck do you think? This is fucking, it's class. Class with ass. And I've got to be totally honest with you. Fuck me dead. This Breguet is streets and streets above. Just put the little baby in here to sleep. This is watchmaking at its best. And I got to tell you, so many people, they want the Rolex experience. They want hype, baby. If you have class, I can tell you this here. The hype, baby. I mean, do you want to be tacky? That's for losers like plastic to show off. Look at these here, two beautiful Breguets. I've got a third Breguet.